Hey guys, what's up? Today we're diving into one of the craziest things in the entire universe, how a massive star literally dies and turns into a black hole, like a place where gravity is so insane that even light can't escape. Get ready, we're going from the quiet depths of space straight into the heart of a dying supergiant. Let's go. In the silent, vast expanse of space, where light itself can become trapped, something extraordinary is born from the final act of a colossal star. For millions of years, this blue supergiant, dozens of times more massive than our sun, has furiously burned through its fuel, fusing hydrogen into helium, then carbon, oxygen, and onward all the way to iron in its layered, onion-like core. But when iron accumulates at the center, fusion can no longer release energy to fight back against gravity, and in less than a second, the unsupported core collapses inward at nearly 1/4 the speed of light. A ferocious shockwave rebounds outward, triggering the most violent explosion the universe produces, a supernova that briefly outshines an entire galaxy, forging and scattering precious new elements like gold, silver, and uranium into space, the very building blocks that will one day form planets and perhaps even life. Yet at the heart of this cataclysm, the remnant core continues its relentless fall, compressing far beyond the density of a neutron star, warping space-time so severely that even light cannot escape. An event horizon forms, the point of no return, encircling a singularity where density becomes infinite and our current laws of physics break down. What was once a blazing star is now a black hole, a perfect dark sphere often surrounded by a blazing accretion disk of spiraling gas, with powerful relativistic jets shooting from its poles. In its violent youth, the newborn black hole feeds ravenously on surrounding debris, growing stronger and bending reality itself, while thousands of stars begin to trace distorted orbits around its commanding presence. Far from mere destruction, the birth of a black hole represents profound transformation, the death of a star becoming the cradle of new cosmic mysteries, where the universe quietly guards its deepest secrets in the darkness. Deep space silence, endless black. Tiny galaxies drift like fireflies. And that's it. From a raging supergiant star exploding into a supernova, to this insane black hole sitting in the middle of the wreckage, bending space, pulling everything in, and basically rewriting the rules of reality. What started as destruction ended up creating one of the universe's deepest mysteries. Mind blown yet? If you like this cosmic ride, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite part, and subscribe for more insane space stuff. See you in the next one. Stay curious, guys.